Today we're gonna be reviewing a portable action 4K camera. Here's what comes in the box. You get a mini camera, how it looks. Has a little screen right here. The lens is over here. It's 180. So you can flip it to vlog or to get your point of view, your face, or to record in front of you. It has a clip. You can clip it on and record. 128 gig mini SD card. That's a plus. USB to USB Type-C cable. You get an adapter to put it anywhere you want. In the fence, in the bicycle, in a table, wherever you want to put it. It's more for like a bicycle, it looks like, because it has this hole right here. But yeah, and it does bring a USB memory stick that you can stick your micro SD and put on your computer. And the manual, so you know what each button does. As you can see, it's pretty small. It's my hand. My hand is pretty small. Records in 1080, 2K, and 4K. It has night vision. It has Caragua. It has night vision. It has motion detection. You can flip the screen. So you turn it here and the video will be upside down. There's a button here on the side and this right here. Then you will flip the video. Then you got audio, no audio here. You have the menu button right here. Then go back. There's a go back button. There's where you put the micro SD card. And there's a reset button there. Here you go to record, and the power button is here. Up and down the menus, and this also zoom in and out of the view. So if you want to like zoom in, you go up and get closer. You got the switch video button here, and here is the black and white button. Here you can go black and white. To turn it on, you just press that power button, will turn on, and then it will say that you don't have a memory card. So all you do is take the memory card and stick it in there, a little hole till it clicks, and now you are ready to go. Now you should see me there. So you should see me there. So if you can see, it's recording in 4K. It starts recording automatically. As soon as you press the button, it will start recording what you're saying. So if you can see, this is my setup, and I'm recording it with the camera. So this is for action videos. For you can do deliveries with this. You can put it in your car, so you can record while you drive, while you do deliveries, while you go skydiving, while you go do any type of sport that you want to get that view. If you can see here, I just turned it to 180 and it's upside down. So now I click the button and now it's good. So to do blogging, so you can have it here and then talk about whatever you're gonna talk about. So it's very convenient. If you're a security person that does security, or a cop shouldn't need it, but if you do security or whatever, you can plug. It has a clip back here that you can just clip it. You turn it. Remember, you have to switch it. Once you do that, you switch it. You hit the switch button, and then you can put it up here, and then you can record. It also has a screw here. You can screw here for the adapter to put on your bicycle, on your motorcycle, whatever. You can record yourself while you drive, or you can put it in front so you can drive and see what is in front of you. That's pretty cool. It's definitely, if you do content creation, you always need as many points of view as you can. So this is a very good one. The price is right. It comes with a 128 gig card. That alone is expensive, but it comes with it. It comes with an adapter to put it on your bicycle, your motorcycle, in your car. It does have a USB, 1080p, 2K, 4K, and it does take photos too. So if you're looking for a small camera to go outdoors and record your point of view, record everything, make content, you don't want to spend a lot of money, this is your camera. It's small, it's portable, it's versatile, so definitely recommend it. I hope this video will help, and thank you.